It's so great to know that we have one point of contact that can come in and fix anything that we have. They can answer questions for us. Even though each of our pieces of equipment are from different manufacturers, and not having to call around and figure out who belongs with what piece of equipment, we're able to call that one person and we get the answers that we need. We are able to call Browns anytime something isn't working right. We're able to call Browns if we just aren't understanding how something works, or if we're wondering if it can do something. They're there to answer questions. Being able to have BMI as our partner, it's a pleasure, and we'll continue to do business with them in the future. We're all busy, and so knowing that I am able to call that one person and they're gonna get what I need is just, it's a load off my shoulders.